Hello class 4. In the last video, we learned about mountains, hills, valleys and rivers. Today, we will learn about plateaus, plains and deserts. So take your social study book and turn to page number 49. 49.
A large stretch of highland that is flat on top is called a plateau. It is also often called a tableland because it is high and flat like a table.
So children, what is a plateau? Plateau is a large stretch of highland and on top it is flat. That is why often it is called tableland. Look at the atlas.
In the last video, we learned about Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, and now you see here is Deccan Plateau. This is Deccan Plateau, and its shape is like a triangle. It is like this. So this portion is called Deccan Plateau. A stretch of low, flat land or almost flat land is called a plain. Plains are formed when rivers bring down mud and soil from the mountains. Whenever there is a flood in a river, the soil that it carries is spread out on the land. Over many hundreds of years, this forms a plain. There is a large plain in North India called the Great Northern Plain. Look at this picture given in your book. This is a picture of a part of the plain of northern India. See, this portion is very flat, and this side you can see there are hills. How this plain is formed? Whenever there is flood, mud and soil comes down along with the water and they get deposited here for many years. This goes on and slowly this type of plain land is formed. Look at here, plain of the Ganga. This portion from here up to West Bengal, this portion is called the Great Northern Plain. There are so many rivers this side. In the river, the Indus, here is Ganga, this side is Brahmaputra, and these rivers, they have so many tributary rivers, and these rivers carry soil and mud from the mountains, and those soil and mud get deposited in this area, and over the years, hundred of years, this northern plain is formed. Low flat land along the coast is called a coastal plain. Coastal plains are generally sandy. India has two long stretches of plains along the east and west coast. The soil on the plains is very good for plants. People can grow crops and live in such places. Look at the atlas. The Indian coastal plains stretches from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to West Bengal. So this long coastal plain is divided into two parts. In the western side, it is called Western Coastal Plain, and in the east side, it is called Eastern Coastal Plain.
So children, you have seen Deccan Plateau in the southern part of India, and also the northern plain, and also you have seen the western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains in the atlas. I hope you have understood the location of Deccan Plateau, Northern Plain, Eastern and Western coastal plains. Now we will read about desert. Turn the page, go to the page number 50.
A desert is dry land which receives little or no rainfall year after year. There are two main kinds of deserts: hot deserts and cold deserts. Hot deserts are sandy, windy, hot, and very dry. The largest desert, the Sahara in North Africa, is a hot and sandy desert. The strong winds in sandy deserts blow the sand into huge sand hills called sand dunes. Some deserts, like the Gobi Desert in Asia, are rocky.
Children, how many types of deserts are there? Two types. And what are they? Cold desert and hot deserts. Now, you know the Sahara desert is the largest desert in the world, and it is a cold desert or hot desert. Yes, it is a hot desert. And where is this desert located? Yes, it is in North Africa. But in our country, we also have a very big desert. Do you know the name of this desert? Yes, Thar Desert or the Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. Look at the atlas. I'll show you where is Sahara Desert and where is the Great Indian Desert, and also I will show you Gobi Desert. Gobi Desert is a cold desert. So let's see where these deserts are.
Look at this Indian map. This is Rajasthan, and here is the Great Indian Desert. So this part of Rajasthan is Great Indian Desert. Look at the map. This is a map of Africa. Now look at here. Here is Sahara Desert. Look at this map. This is a map of China and Mongolia. Now look at here. Here is Gobi Desert, and this desert is a cold desert. Gobi Desert is also a rocky desert. There is another cold desert. Let's see. Antarctica is a cold desert. This vast region is always frozen. It's very cold and it's very dry here. Antarctica is the coldest and driest continent on the earth.
Nothing grows in the cold deserts. In the hot deserts, a few plants and animals are found. Only those few plants or animals are able to survive in that hot weather and in the hot climate. So children, learn the portion that I taught you today. What will you study? You have to study plateaus and plains and deserts. The rest we will learn in the next class. Thank you.